All right, so that was a performance from Ken Ellis and Friends titled Sun Will Shine.
Like it.
Love it. Absolutely love it. All right, so we're in Manversations. This one never, I think, may influence a certain decision you might make today, because we're talking about why marriage is good for men. According to blackmenshealth.com, recent studies have suggested that marriage has a number of benefits for men. And this morning we'll be discussing a few of these findings in our Manversations.
Well, I'm telling you something. If any of this is true, by about 10:30 this morning, we married. 10:30. I just go and go through them quickly, and then we will take them individually. It said married men live longer, married men make more money, married men have better sex, married men have better overall health, married men behave better.
Yep.
Well, if that is so, by 10 o'clock,
yeah,
we're married.
Yeah, I
want to live longer, I want to make more money. Well, I'm going to leave out number 3 because it's a morning program. So I'm not going to spend too much time on that one. But they say married men live longer. This is Harvard Health, and they report that married men live longer than men without spouses. It also cited information that men who tied the knot tended to be healthier than those who were never married, divorced, or widowed. Additionally, the longer a man stays married, the greater his survival advantage over his unmarried counterparts. The first thing I would want to suggest that it would depend on who you're married to.
Yeah.
Because it's not everybody who you're married to will end up making you feel so happy and healthy and lovely.
But ideally that's the case, because like you're supposed to marry somebody with whom you're compatible, you know? Where you and them get along very well.
Yeah, but things and people change, you know. And I've also found that being in a relationship is fine. And then all of a sudden you say, all right, make we tie the knot, we're going to live together forever. That can change people.
Right.
That can change people, because it's nice to know that you can just go and come when you want without talking to anyone. But then you're not, it's not that you're reporting to somebody. But if you have a wife or a husband, you can't just get up and say, I'll soon come.
I remember I had
a... say, where I go? You know what I mean?